Alright, beautiful Nevada Reno sunset. Launch Master Dylan, we're ready to rock. Give me a 3 count. HillBilly 1, 15th launch, back to back. See engine.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
I lost it.
What happened?
I lost it. I can't see it.
I see it.
Oh, there we go. We got open chute. Partially open chute.
I saw it few seconds before you did.
Well, the smoke trail was totally in my eyes, blocking my entire view. What appears to be, what appears to be another beautiful and successful launch.
Yeah.
And let's see if we can catch it. HillBilly 1. Yeah. Bye, brother. Yeah, 15th launch. Here comes the helicopter. Let's see who's starting the fires.